Hi guys, Mr. Shineside here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my December Boxycharm unboxing. I know that a lot of people upgraded to the Boxy Luxe this month, so I can't speak of what's in there. I just have the regular subscription to Boxycharm, which is $21 a month. I still think that that's a good value for what you get inside. I did not feel the need to spring for the $50 version of the box. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I see is the card in here. It says, "'Tis the sea, sun." Get it? Like there's a flamingo on it, like the sea and the sun. There's a limited warranty thing in here, so I don't know what that's for. First product that I see is a pretty vulgar product. This is the Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. Pretty Vulgar does a lot of adorable packaging. I will give them that. I just thought that because they were called Pretty Vulgar, their names would be more vulgar, if that makes sense. Cute little puff. Meh. I'm excited. I'm not like, wow, because I'm not a matte person, so I don't really need to get excited about powder. I don't know how else to say that. We got a Tarte Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. I got mine in the shade Strike Gold. Let's take this out and see what it looks like. Yowza. Looks like that. I would say that's more of a rose gold if I was going to say anything. Is this a lip gloss? Ooh, it's a lip gloss. It's got one of those little mini chair looking applicators. Doesn't take a lot of product out. Trying to get a swatch here, but you gotta go back into the tube like a gajillion times. Don't know if you'll really be able to see it on my hand there, but it looks like shimmery. It has gold and pink sparkles in it. If I didn't have lip gloss on, I would, seeing as how I do, I'm not going to. Next product in here is the COSMEDIX Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. Ooh, I like the sound of that. Gotta love some self-care with a mask. I know that COSMEDIX, I believe, is a higher-end brand, so I'm curious to see how expensive this is. And this last product is why we had the warranty. This is a 100% ceramic mini styling tool. It is a flat iron. So, comes in a purple color. It is by PYT, I think that's Pretty Young Thing, like the Michael Jackson song. And it says, "It's a girl's world." Let's go ahead and open this up and see just how tiny that it is. Oh yeah, that is teeny tiny. Does this say how hot that it gets? Anywhere on here. Warranty claims, blah blah blah, register your flat iron, which is strange. It's just an on-off. It's a pretty basic flat iron. I don't think that I will be using this only because I have long hair and I feel like it would take me about a million years to do my hair if I used a tiny flat iron like this. But if you do have short hair, lucky you. That seems like a pretty tiny box, but I'm assuming it's because they have bigger brands in it. That's the reason that they only had a few items. So let's look at the card, shall we? Make sure I'm not missing anything. Oh, there is one more product in here, just kidding. There is a Bodyography Barely There lip pencil, and it is in the shade, I'm assuming Barely There. Feels a little bit hard. There it is. Definitely a more brownie nude than a light nude. Okay. Have never heard of the company Bodyography. So going in, the Tarte lip paint is normally $20. The Bodyography lip liner is vegan and cruelty free, and it has an MSRP of $12. To me, that seems a little high, but it's probably because it's vegan and cruelty free. says it's infused with coconut oil and vitamin E, so maybe it just feels rougher on the hand than it does on the lips. The Pretty Vulgar Matte About It powder is an MSRP of $32. That's pretty cool. And the COSMEDIX Detox Activated Charcoal Mask has an MSRP of $30. So I don't know why I thought this was going to be a lot more expensive than it is, but that's not bad. That's like the price of a Origins mask, I think. I think that's the price of an Origins mask. And then the hair straightener is the high price item in here, and it is a MSRP of $75. And it says it reaches a maximum of 400 degrees or 204 degrees Celsius. I don't know who's gonna touch up their hair on the go. It says, get those pesky baby hairs, straighten those bangs, or touch up your curls on the go. Who's gonna throw a flat iron in their purse? Whatever. All right, so that is everything that I received in my December Boxycharm. What did you receive in your Boxycharm if you're subscribed? Or what subscription service do you subscribe to? Are you an Ipsy gal, Sephora Play, Birchbox, Roxbox, and just jewelry? There are so many subscription services right now. It's a little bit crazy. But I just want to hear what you got, or if you're thinking about getting one, or if you see other ones on social media that have your interest piqued, let me know in the comment section down below. Before you leave, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. That way you'll be notified anytime that I upload. Feel free to follow me on my other social media. I am Mrs. Shynyside on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and I am Stephanie Shynyside on Facebook and Pinterest, and I will see you guys again next time.